Have you noticed something? Crypto exchange logos are suddenly everywhere in football. Jerseys, stadiums, national teams. So, what's really going on? It's not your imagination. Over the past few years, crypto companies have become some of football's biggest commercial partners. You'll find them on shirt sleeves, LED advertising boards, training kits, and even as official sponsors of national teams. That's because football isn't just the world's biggest sport. It's also one of the most powerful ways to reach millions of people across every continent. So why football? First, it's global. One sponsorship can reach fans in Europe, Asia, North and South America, all at the same time. Second, football audiences tend to be younger, digital first, and comfortable using new technology. That's a natural match for crypto. And finally, trust matters. When fans see a company supporting one of the sports they love, it helps build brand recognition over time. Sponsorship isn't just advertising. It's about becoming a familiar name. Not every sponsorship is the same. A shirt sponsor gets maximum visibility during every match. A stadium partner reaches fans inside the venue and watching on TV. And regional partners focus on connecting with supporters in specific countries. Each partnership is designed to reach a different audience at the right moment. That brings us to BTCC. BTCC is the official crypto exchange sponsor of the Argentine Football Association, representing one of the biggest national teams in world football. With Argentina reaching the World Cup semifinal against England on July 15th, millions of fans will be watching. It's exactly the kind of global moment that makes football sponsorship so valuable. And here's something especially exciting for Canadian fans. BTCC has also expanded its presence in Canada with support for CAD deposits, making it easier for local users to get started. So, if you're watching from Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, or anywhere across Canada, joining the platform is now even more convenient. So the next time you spot a crypto exchange on a football jersey, you'll know there's a strategy behind it. It's about connecting with millions of passionate fans around the world through the biggest sport on the planet. If you'd like to follow Argentina's journey and see what BTCC has to offer, check out the link below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video, and we'll see you before the next match.